everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got Roccabox. I have got no makeup on, you'll just have to make do with me. I'm barefaced because I've been super busy this morning. What with getting Daniel sorted and so doing all of that. Right, so this is Roccabox. If you don't know who Daniel is my son, and I often mention him in my videos. He's the one that's autistic and he's hard work. So this is Roccabox and it is £13.95 a month, and I pay it on a monthly basis. If you don't like it, you can just get rid of it. You can cancel it at any time. And I think they are over in America as well. I'm sure you can get it if you're in America. I don't want to go on too much about it, so I just want to get into it. But there we go. I get Roccabox. Oh, I'm showing you the flat side of it, the wrong side of the box, but there it is. It's like super cute pink. Pink is my favourite colour. I love it, and it's a nice box. Well, I think it is, but we'll see if it's worth the money. £13.95 is what it is, and it says you deserve this treat on the box, which is always a nice touch when they put a nice quote on it. I don't know if it's going to show up on my camera, so there we go. And it says always make time for yourself. Well, that is so true. You should always make time to have a bit of time for yourself. It's a nice quote again on the inside of this month's box. So there we go. And I do like the little flamingo logo that they've got on the Roccabox logo. It's like really nice. I'll just have to excuse my nails, but there it is. It's like really summery, and it's like just summertime vibes. It really is a good one. So I'll just put that to one side for now. Right, so let's just get into this box. Let's start pulling some items out and let's just see what we got. Oh, Cetaphil. This is a skin cleanser. This has been in most boxes. I'm not really 100% completely happy about that because it is a sample. So, okay, let's hope it gets better. Oh, I see something in here that I really like. Oh, this is nice. You see it? That's like a hair slide. I'm just going to actually try it. So this is the Willow Ed hair slide. Oh, it looks really nice. I am impressed with that. It feels really nice as well. That is it there. So we're just going to see how this will go. Oh, just bends, snaps, and bends like that. So it's super easy. I'm just actually going to see if that will actually go there. It's actually a bit big for my side, but there it is. There it is. Right, so it's in there. So I do quite like that. There we go. Right, so one item that I do like. Okay, so what is this item? This one is the Luscious Lip by... That is not going to show up on my camera, I just know it. But it is a lip tint by Deuce, and Deuce is a really good name. So it's a lip stain. Right, okay. We'll try it. And let's just see what this does to my lips. That is the added advantage of not putting makeup on to do these videos. You get to try it. I don't know why I did that. Dab, dab, dab. It tastes really nice. It has a nice taste to it. So there is the clear. I am super crap at putting on lipstick. It just doesn't really work for me. And I'm not really sure if that hair slide is working for me neither. It's a little bit big, but I like it. I like it. So there we go. And there is that lip stain on. Okay, so we've got a Lordbury. Is this a mascara? Lordbury. Looks like a Lordbury thingamajigs. It is. It is a mascara. I'm just going to try it anyway. So I don't have any mascara on. I do like that wand. It's really good. So let's just try it. It's very volumizing and it is working. I do like that. I am getting it all over the place though, but it's volumizing. I'll give it that. Right, so minus the mistake I did with the little thingamajigs there. So it is actually doing something. It volumizes. So I quite like that. It's a good mascara. Then we have got another lip stain. So there's two of those. Come on camera, focus. It's just the same one. It's the Deuce lip stain. I've got a Philip Kingsley elasticizer, so I don't use that, so that will be sold on my eBay shop thingamajigs, but I don't use it. So that is the end of this month's box. It's like going everywhere, so yeah, you'll definitely see it's the end. Right, so that is the end of it. Right, so let's just run through these products, because it tells you in here. So it says, hey ladies, whether you're enjoying the British sun or living your best life on foreign shores, it's getting hot, hot, hot. Yes, it is. It's getting hot, hot, hot in here in the UK. It's like super warm. And yeah, so I like the hot weather though. So August is themed around the feeling of heat. So we've packed our collection of goodies to get you looking and feeling gorgeous in the August heat, including the Philip Kingsley award-winning hair treatment to get your locks glimmering, completed with the Willow and Ed pearl hair clip that glimmers in the sun. Alright, so there it is. So it says glimmers in the sun for your face. The Cetaphil cleanser will have your skin sparkling with health. Finished off with a Lordbury mascara enriched with vitamins to get your peepers popping, and Deuce lips stains in fiery shades. This month's box makes you shine like the star you are the summer heat. Minimal effect required. So there we go. And the Philip Kingsley elasticizer is £4.50 if you are wondering on that. There it is, £4.50. And we have got the Deuce lip stains, which is £21 each. I wouldn't think they are £21 each. They're only like very small. So there we go. And the hair clip is £6. Well, that could be right. And the Cetaphil skin cleanser is £9.50. I would have thought that was a sample. Never mind, it's £9.50. The mascara is £16. So I do quite like this mascara, so I've actually got my money's worth with this one. So it's quite good. I do like the Lord & Bury stuff. Their products is usually in the beauty boxes, and they're usually quite good, so I quite like them. So that is it. If you liked this unboxing, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!